Congratulations to all the grade 12 matric students. And are you a student looking for accommodation through the NSFAS? In this video, I will guide you through the process of applying for an NSFAS accommodation. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'll be telling you everything that you need and showing you how you can apply and get accepted for accommodation. Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the step-by-step on how you can apply for your accommodation on your NSFAS account. If you know that you have registered yourself at the university, now it's your turn to apply for accommodation. Cause where are you gonna stay? Who's gonna pay? So let me take you through the steps on how you can simply apply for accommodation on your NSFAS and you're good to go. So guys, before I start, I just want to let you know that when applying, you choose, if you are currently in Gauteng, you choose Gauteng. If you are in KZN, if you are accepted in whatever, you choose that. Bad news to the UNISA student: there is no University of South Africa in the NSFAS accommodation. There is no University of South Africa known as UNISA. It's not there. So guys, but if you are applying, you choose where you were accepted.